guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. Before I start, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to help my channel grow and to be updated on my next video. And, and thank you so much for being here, and I hope you finish it until the end. And please bear with me. I just have a chance to film today, and I only have 30 minutes spare time, and after that I need to go back to work. So for today's video, what I'm going to do is I will reallocate the money that I save in my savings butterflies binder, all the butterfly saving challenges that I did last year, and I put it here together. The total amount of this one is 1,165. If you are following my channel, you know that all the saving challenges, all the completed saving challenges on my butterfly binder will goes to my month ahead binder. So let's just keep it aside first. Okay, so let's arrange the money first. So some of the money that in here is already changed. I already changed some of it. Okay, so let's start. And let's count the money first before we reallocate this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 400 plus 100 plus, this is $100 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 400 plus 100, 200, 280 plus 5. So 1,185. If you haven't watched my unstopping my all completed saving challenges, you can go back to my channel, or I put it on the description box, or I put it somewhere up in this video. So if you want to watch that first before this, it's okay, so that you understand how I get this. So what I will do here is I need some dice. And what category I'll need to put here is so for rent, food, groceries, this is not yet done. For electricity, water, gas, and phone bill, it's already, and internet, it's already been fully funded. Only 4 month ahead rent, I already fully funded it, and I want to do the second month ahead for my rent. And for food and groceries, not yet. And I will add one more here for my parents, for my mother-in-law and my mom. So just make it 4 then. So I'll take out this. And I will just choose here. It should be 4 because for my mom and my mother-in-law. And let's see. Okay, without envelope yet. So I will get the 4-sided dice. I think I get the wrong dice. So 4-sided dice. So pretend that it's number 4, the lovely budgets, because I need it for my mother-in-law and my mom. Okay, let's do this. So each row I will allocate $100. Okay, let's do this. So 4. So this 1, 2, 3, and 4. So mix 1 here. So 4 again. Oh. So one is for rent, two is for food, two again is for food, so one is for rent, so one again is for rent. Oh, come on, groceries. Come on. So one is for rent. Whoa, all for rent? Come on. So two is for food. So three is for groceries. And one is for rent. Wow. And last 80, I will 85, I'll put it on the one that doesn't have a lot groceries. Okay. So let's see how much each category got. So for my parents, my mom and my mother-in-law, I got here 200. And for rent, there's additional of 100, 2, 3, 4, 500. Whoa, 500, that's fast. And let's, oops. So for March, reallocation. So I got here plus 500. So total of 600 now. Yay! That's quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So together, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 600. That's correct. So I got 600 on my second month ahead for my rent. And for food, so each icon is $100. And the so what the so what so there's a $300 that I reallocate here, and let's color 3 envelope. One, two, three. So if I completed this envelope, this tracker, it's a total of this one is 3,000, which is enough for our food for a month. So now the total amount here is 500, 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,436. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1,200. I think that you got it wrong. Anyway, so the total amount here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 436. I think I didn't color the one I allocate this month. Yeah, I think so. So I will just check it later. And for the groceries, what I got here at the moment is 6, 7, 8, 800 and 32. So if we check here, I don't know if it's balanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I didn't color 2 because I already do my budgeting in March, which I didn't film, and my sinking fund allocation also I didn't film it. So that's why there's a difference. I allocated here twice. 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wrong. 9. Oh, I got it wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should be 800 and Anyway, whatever I have here is okay. I just add up this one. So 170. So the total amount here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 1,047. Let me check here first. I think I got it wrong. I got it wrong. Where's the tracker? Yeah, February, it's 862. That's correct. I got 862. Yeah, for March, I didn't do it. So March, for reallocation, plus 100. Now I forgot. Oh my God. 182. So 175. That's correct. So 100. I got it's messed up now. It's messed up now. Anyway, whatever I have here is the one I save. That's all I can say. Sorry. Okay. I just total it later off cam. So okay, I got again 5, 6, 7, 8, 850 plus 2, 4, 6, 60 plus 100. Isn't it 100? I think it's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 130. So 1,140 plus 7, 47. Okay. 1,047. So it means I added minus 862. So I added 185 plus 862. So 1,047. Okay. Now I can do it. Forgot about this tracker. I just write down here. And the sticker come out. Alright, so that's the end of my video. I hope you put a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Hopefully I can film my mini saving challenges which I didn't do last Monday. So I hope I have time like this. And thank you so much for stopping by and bearing with me, and thank you for watching this confusing confusing content. And I'm really happy that I filmed today. Today is Wednesday, March 13, I think. And hopefully I can film more and more and more so I can share it with you. So thank you again for all of you who is supporting my channel. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya. Saranghe. Bye.